How to fix Instagram your activity option not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram your story option not showing. Problem fixed. So first of all, you have to go back to your phone settings. After going to phone settings, you have to scroll down and go to app management or install apps. And then now you have to search for Instagram here. Now you have to click on Instagram and then click on force stop. Now you have to force the stop, and then what you have to do is just click on storage uses. After clicking to this, you have to clear all the data here. Now what you have to do is just click to this permission icon. After clicking this, you have to allow all the permission here. As I have already allowed it, I am showing you to solve your problem. Now go to your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. Now if they are asking for an update, then you have to update your Instagram, as I have already updated. So if they are asking you to update, then you have to update your Instagram. Now you have to restart your phone. And then after reopening your device, you have to go to your Instagram. You have to uninstall your Instagram once, and then after uninstalling, you can reinstall it from here, from Google Play Store. After reinstalling, you have to go to your Instagram. After logging it, just click to this profile icon. You can see here profile icon. Just click here, and then you have to click on this. Now you can see here, you can find your activity option on Instagram so easily. So this is how you can fix your activity missing problem on not showing problem on Instagram. Thanks for watching.